everyone, and welcome to this CoolLIFE tutorial. My name is Giulia Conforto, and I have the pleasure of introducing our expert, Adrienn Gelesz of Abud, who will demonstrate the calculation module Comfort, Lifestyle, and User Behavior on the CoolLIFE tool. Over to you, Adrienn.
Hello everyone, I'm Adrienn Gelesz from Abud, and I will show you how the Comfort, Lifestyle, and User Behavior calculation module within the CoolLIFE tool works. This calculation module provides information on the typical user behavior and summer thermal comfort expectations within each member state of the EU27 area. And additionally, it also shows how active behavioral space cooling interventions and adaptive routine practices can change the behavior, which reduces space cooling demand and energy use in the end. So this calculation module works from NUTS 1 levels to the smaller areas, and you need to select an area which you would like to run the calculation module for. If you go to the calculation modules, you have to select the Comfort, Lifestyle, and User Behavior module. And here also you have a possibility to add a session name for this run. I will add now Germany. If you go down, you can see that the calculation module is structured into 3 types of information which can be displayed, and you can select each of these information if you would like to gather information on it or not. For first run, I will only select the first question, which asks you if you would like to see how traditional lifestyle practices are implemented in a country that reduce space cooling demand. And if you run the CM and open the indicator tab, you will see a list of the typical practices which are implemented in the country you are looking at. If we go to the next question, which is about the country-specific thermal comfort requirements and expectations, you can gather information on what are the legislative and empirical requirements for a cool space or a non-cool space within the country. And you both have information on the indicator tab, and for some countries where country-wide data was available for use, you can also see the different percentages of the households which feel a certain temperature range comfortable within their homes. This part of the calculation module also works if you select several countries. So for example, if I also select France and run the calculation module, you will be able to compare the different expectations in the different countries. And also you will see both charts where you can, for example, in this case, see that the households in Germany expect a lower temperature within their dwellings than the households in France. The third part of the calculation module is focusing on interventions, where you first have to select the yes within the normal tab, and then you have to go into the basic inputs, where you also have 4 questions which can guide you on what type of interventions you would like to see. You have options to select all gathered intervention strategies, or you can also select country-specific only. You have an option to select what type of behavior you would like to see, which are targeted by the intervention. So, for example, to change the thermostat set points or change the approach for shading and lighting. I will now use electricity use. And you can also select the range of buildings which the case study should refer to. I will now go for any type of building. And also you have a possibility to select if you want to show nudges, feedback and information campaigns, monetary incentives, policies, or all interventions. I will now select all interventions, and I will limit the calculation module now to Germany. And when running the calculation module, you will see a set of information also displayed in the indicator tab. And this calculation module is, or this part of the results is constructed so that 4 rows of each intervention are linked. So, for example, here we have an example of a dynamic pricing, time of use tariff intervention. We have the main results, which has been seen with the case study. We see the geographical context, and we also see the reference of case study, which can be visited by the user for more information. And you also have a possibility to export indicators, where you can save it to your desktop or anywhere you would like, and then open it as a CSV file in this form. And this possibility also is available for graphs. You can save it. If you would like to know more information about how the data was gathered for this calculation module, you can go to the wiki and access the calculation modules of CoolLIFE Tool. And within the cooling, you find the comfort, lifestyle, and user behavior module. And you can also access the database or the resources which we have used in the CoolLIFE website, where you can see the deliverables referenced in the wiki. Thank you very much for your attention.
And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. We hope you have enjoyed it, and for more information, don't forget to search for the CoolLIFE project website link in the description. There you will find also the links to the CoolLIFE tool, the wiki, and the Knowledge Hub.